So to broadcast your services live using the Flash Media Encoder, what you're going to want to do is download the Flash Live Media Encoder from the link that's been provided and launch it. And actually this is what you'll see when you launch that. What you're going to want to do is choose a default rate. This 300 kps H.264 is a good default format, and then it will choose what device you have recording in, and pretty much the defaults that come in will work for you okay. Then over here on the right hand side, what you're going to want to do is enter the URL that we had provided and make sure in the stream field that you've got the word live. And then if you want to archive your service as you go along, you click the Save to File, and then you can browse to a file location where it will store the video archive that you can upload later. So basically, once you get this thing going, you can just go in here and hit this start, and the system will start broadcasting. So that's how you will broadcast using the Flash Live Media Encoder. When you're done, you just hit stop, and it's it.